Assalamualaikum. Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today I will show how to recover SCB career portal username or password. So let's start. First of all, we have to go any browser. So I choose Chrome browser. Open it and search SCB. Click on first page. Scroll down. Click on the quick links and look up careers. So click now. Accept all cookies. So you can click search jobs. Now click on sign in. And scroll down and I accept. Now suppose we forgot our username, so first we click on username. Now when you sign up with your email, enter this email. So I enter my email and click on validate. And now check your Gmail address. So here, so I got my username. Let's see, they send my username. So copy the username or remember it. Now back to login page. Suppose you enter your username but you forget your password, so what can you do? Click on forgot your password. Now I click on username box and enter my username and click on email address and enter your desired email address when you sign up and click OK. Now go back to Gmail. Already we got our secure access code. Now copy your red color code, that's your current password, and click. You can reset your career password here. Click on here, blue hyperlink. Open through Chrome and enter your username already you recover. Click on access code and paste. Login. So we got our next step to change our password. So we enter our secure access code here and enter your new password. You can choose suggest strong password if you have pop-up, but if you want to remember that password you can enter manually. Okay, suppose we will use ADAM123 at the rate. Again ADM 123 @ remember that you have to enter minimum 8-digit password and capital letter, small letter and numerical key, and click on OK. So successfully we change our password. Now click on username, enter your username. So already I entered my username and password. Click login. So successfully we log in our account. That's it. Thank you for watching my video.